Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 3. I'm so excited that I keep doing this because I've never done 3 videos in 3 days, but I'm hoping I continue for the rest of the break. I'm super excited to share with you guys my Kroger haul today. You can go today and get it. It's going to last until Tuesday, so it'll last until next week, all right? Merry Christmas. Thanks, guys. Hey praisers and savers, just got back from Kroger and I had an amazing trip. So I got a whole bunch of items I'm going to show you in the video, in the clip, but I'm just going to break them down first. So I got 3 bags of all laundry detergent, 5 bags of Tostitos Scoops chips, 5 bottles of Kraft salad dressing, 4 boxes, 4 is important, of the macaroni and cheese, and 5 boxes of the scalloped potatoes from Betty Crocker. So let's break this down really quick. So before I start, let's go over Kroger's coupon policy because it is different than the other stores. They don't double coupons, but if you have a paper coupon, they will take 3 like coupons. That's it. They won't take more than that. So 3 like coupons at Kroger, that is the max. On the app, some of the coupons are the 5 times digital. So what that means is you can use them 5 times at that moment and you'll get the amount off for each item. So for example, I bought 5 of these and the coupon worked 5 times. Now, most of the time at Kroger, you can't do multiple transactions and that coupon still be there. So I can't do like transaction number 1 and use that 5 times digital coupon, and then transaction number 2 and use that 5 times digital coupon, because most of the time it goes away. So whenever I use the 5 times digital coupon, I buy all 5 of my items in that same transaction. I usually don't do multiple transactions at Kroger anyways. But just be careful because I don't want you to say, oh, I forgot, I need to go back and get it, and the coupon's probably going to be gone because once you clip it and use it, it's gone. Even if it's a 5 times digital, it doesn't keep up with it. So I got all these items in one transaction. All right, so let's go over the prices. So my favorite thing right now is these Betty Crocker scalloped potatoes. There is a coupon on your app right now for $1 off, which makes these scalloped potatoes 49 cents. And this is like a shelf item. Like, this is a great item to keep when you have forgotten to get some kind of starchy ingredient, so you have that in your cabinet. And if you don't like this type of food, you can always donate this to the food bank, because items like this are things the food bank really want. Stuff like this and the macaroni and cheese, peanut butter, cereal. So these are great food bank items. So we probably will donate it because I have a bunch of these. But 49 cents for the Betty Crocker's scalloped potatoes. They got the cheesy ones, they got the au gratin, they got the regular ones. So I got a little bit of each. So I bought 5 boxes for 49 cents each. So the total's around $2.50. Now, the next thing we got was the Tostitos. These are usually like $4. They're on sale right now for $3.49 at Kroger. But then whenever you go to the checkout, sorry, $2.99. Yeah, when you go to the checkout, they're $2.99 on sale. After you use your Kroger Plus card, $2.99. But there's a $1 digital, and you can use it for 5 times. So the total is $1.99 per bag. $1.99 per bag. That's a really good deal because that's pretty much like you're buying, you know, you're buying 2 bags for one when it's $4. So this is a very good item to keep. Doesn't go bad. My kids just like to eat them without any kind of sauce on them. So that's a 5 times deal as well. I bought 5 bags and that added up to about $10. Now, next thing is the salad dressing. They've got all the Kraft salad dressings on sale, and I like to buy the ranch because we eat chicken wings a lot, so we keep that. But these are on sale for $1.99 right now, and there is a $1 off coupon, which makes the Kraft salad dressings 99 cents. It is a 5 times one, so you can buy 5 bottles and use that coupon 5 times. You don't have to, but you can. All right, so the next one is a paper coupon item. This is the all detergents. They have the bottles, they have the pods, they have the Snuggle liquid. You can buy all those. They're on sale for $3. When you buy 3, they're $6. So you have to buy 3. Ooh, the cat. You have to buy 3. You can't just buy 1. So you have to buy 3. When you buy 3, it adds up to be $6. Well, I have a $1 off coupon on the all and a $1 off coupon for the snuggle. I didn't need any snuggle today, but I used a $1 off paper coupon that came out last week. $1 off, $1 off. So this was $6 and it ended up being $3. So $1 per bag. That is amazing. Now, I will tell you this. Like I said before, Kroger doesn't take more than 3 coupons for that item. So 1, 2, 3, that's it. They're not going to do any more. So you're going to have to do multiple transactions. And I would just come back multiple days if you could, or take people with you. I like to take people with me. My daddy likes to go coupon with me, and so he's the extra person for me whenever I want to get more than just 3 of something like that when I have paper coupons. Then my last thing that I want to show you guys, I think so, is the Kraft macaroni and cheese. All right, so this one's a little bit more complicated, not hard, but more complicated. They are on sale for 4. When you buy 4, they're $3. Okay, so they're automatically on sale. You go, there's a little tag. It says buy 4 of these. They're $3 for all of them. All right. So then there's a $1 off coupon on the app for 4. All right, so I'm getting, so now when I've used my $1 off coupon on the app, they're now $2. So all this was $2. Okay, now this is a 5 times deal, so you could keep doing this. All right. So buy 4, they'll be $3. Use your $1 off coupon on the app, they'll be $2. But then on IBOTTA, there's a 20 cents off on IBOTTA. So 20, 40, 60, 80. It all did all these. So 80 cents, okay? So now my total, $2 minus 80, is $1.20. I got all these for $1.20. Now it doesn't show up on the receipt, of course, because it's Ibotta and they have to send you the money. It's a rebate. So all that for $1.20, that's pretty good. Now I did a couple different transactions and I'm going to post both of them. But the transaction I did with just the all salad dressings, potatoes, and the Kraft macaroni and cheese was my favorite. I paid $13 for that. So I'm going to show that one to you guys. So anyways, I'm going to put up the pictures of the items with the coupons if I have paper coupons. If not, I'll put up the digital. And then I also am going to show you the Ibotta and the paper coupons for the all. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you finish the video all to the very end, let's put Right Craft in the comments so I know that you watched the video to the very end. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.